One diary, two diaries. Oh, diaries are so nice. Oh, there is another diary. Oh, wow. My God, so many. Oh, wow, what a diary. Oh, my God. I will keep this diary. Oh, another diary. Aha! Wow! This is very nice. I like this diary. Oh wow! See my diary is so nice. Aha! Wow! Such a beautiful diary. Oh, I'm going to write in this diary or oh my god, another diary or this diary or this one or this one. Oh, so hello children, how are you? How are you? Nice? Oh, what are you doing? What happened? You are very sad. Why? I understood. Because so many holidays. So if we could not meet. Yes, na? You did not meet me? Oh, I also did not meet you. Otherwise, we could have so much talked with each other. Isn't it? So let's now come back. We have come back to our work. Yes, come, quickly, quickly, quickly. Okay? So now, let's do lesson 4 of your stories, your lesson book. Learn to lead. Yes? So we will do lesson 4 of this book. Creation is solution. Yes, what is the name of this chapter? Creation is solution. That means, what does it mean? That if there is any problem, then what do? We take out some ways or some solution to solve that problem. It can be any problem. Suppose I have a habit of forgetting. I don't remember. Then what is the solution of it? I can write. That is why I have got so many diaries with me. Yes, you can also choose a nice diary. I have such beautiful diaries with me. Okay, let me keep them properly here. So many diaries I have. I can write in my diary and remember whatever I want to learn or remember in my mind. I have so many diaries, so you can choose any one diary and you can start writing whatever you want to remember. So when you will write, then you will not forget. Okay? So today everyone will do one thing. You all will take one diary, take a small one. Mummy, Papa, please give them a beautiful diary to my dear children. Will you all do that? And children, you have to obey your mummy and papa. Yes, whichever diary mama will give you, you keep it with you and decorate it nicely. Okay? So when we will meet together in school, whenever the school opens, yes, whenever the school will open, then please bring your diaries and show it to me. Yes, I will also decorate one diary. I should also decorate now. I will also decorate one diary and bring it to school. And you all will also decorate one diary and keep it with you. When school will open, then you bring it to school. Okay? Yes, wonderful. That's nice. Okay, now let's continue and let's start our lesson 4. Creation is solution. You have come to visit a fair with your parents. A fair means like a mela. Suddenly, you find yourself lost in the crowd. Oh, what happened? मेले में खो गए? Nah, doesn't matter. We are intelligent children. Our mind is like a bright star. We do not feel scared and we will not be unhappy. We will not cry, but we will use our brains and we will intelligently find out a solution to our problem. What would you do? Going about looking for them is out of question. Now, it is easy कि इधर ढूंढो मम्मा कहाँ है, पापा कहाँ है? Is it easy? No. And in today's time, what is easy? Ring, 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 ring. Hello, ting, 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 ting. Hello, Mama. I am here near this shop. Mama, please come to pick me up. है ना? We can do like this. But नंबर तो याद ही नहीं है. पापा के फोन का पता नहीं. मम्मी का फोन मालूम नहीं. ओह, अब क्या करें? Come on, let's read. Shouting out for them would also be of no use. इधर उधर देखना कोई फायदा नहीं. Shouting at them, Mama, Papa. This is not right. Nothing will happen like this. Finally, you remember that you can call your parents from a phone booth or by using somebody's mobile phone. But the phone numbers have got all mixed up in your troubled mind. Ab telephone to yes you can do, but telephone number? Now you are so scared, mummy papa are not there. So telephone number is also all confused in the mind. Then you remember you have your parents' contact details written in a small diary in your pocket. So suddenly what happens? I take out a small diary. This is a big one. A small diary from my pocket and I open. Mummy's number. Mummy's number. कहाँ गया? Oh, ये रहा मम्मा का नंबर. टिंग 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 टिंग. Yes, मिल गया मम्मा का नंबर. Wow, what a relief. You call them and tell them where you are and you are together again. Hello, मम्मा जल्दी आ जाओ, मुझे डर लग रहा है. Mama will say, I'm coming बेटा. I was also worried. मुझे भी रोना आ रहा था. मेरा बेबी कहाँ गया? So mama is also worried and baby is also worried. But the diary is very useful. And so you get the number in the diary and you quickly call mama and papa and you meet. Life will always throw surprises at you. A little quick thinking and remaining calm can help you sail through the difficulty situations very easily. That means whenever a problem comes in our way, then we should not panic. We should not be worried. Oh, क्या होगा? अरे क्या करें? No, not needed. We should only think a little, find out a solution to our problem, and the problem will be solved. So one thing, children, now I have told you, you will decorate a small diary and you will write all the important telephone numbers in your diary. Okay, telephone number, mama, papa, maybe your very nice teacher or your doctor and your maybe grandparents or your elder brother or sister, like this. So 5-6 numbers with their name and the proper number neatly written in your diary. And your name on your diary, your address, your all the important points, maybe your papa's and mama's, some important, your name of mummy, name of papa, name of your house, everything written on the diary and these some telephone numbers written. This is very important, children. Such small diary you should keep in your pocket whenever you are going at such places like fairs, in melas, or in some visiting places or in tourist areas. When you are going, such diaries you should keep, because anything can happen. Maybe if you are lost for some time, but you are an intelligent, educated child, so nothing will happen. You can immediately take a phone from somebody, borrow, or you can go to the telephone booth, where the telephone, common public phones are there, and from there you can call. Yes? So I hope now you will not get scared. डरना नहीं, क्या करना है? ब्रेन लगाना है और झट से टेलीफोन करके मम्मा पापा से मिलना है. Yes? Correct? Done. So that is okay. Now let's go on to our next activity. Okay. Now, best out of waste. That means sometimes some things which are of not much use, we can make something useful with it. Like if we have our paper plates. What do you do with the paper plates? You eat on the paper plates your food and everything, and then we throw the paper plates in the dustbin. Suppose mummy has brought 20 paper plates. But after that, after some time, only 15 were used and 5 plates were remaining. What does mama do? After some days, she says, "Arey, ye to plates, they are very bad, they purani ho gayi," and maybe she throws in the dustbin. Isn't it? But will you throw? Oh, you will throw, I know that. No. But we will not throw. What will we do? Let's make a cat mask from the paper plate. So in your books, on page number 14, you can see here, they have made a cat mask. Yes, I have also made the same way for you, and so I am showing you. First, we will take a paper plate and we will color it. Now here they have told us grey or black, so I have colored it black, but you can color it according to your wish. Suppose you want your cat to be pink in color, a pink cat. Doesn't matter, you can color it pink as you want it. Okay? So you can color it. So like this, you will color the paper plate black in color. Like I have done this. Okay? Now next you will, here the paper plate, black paper plate, I have made here 2 eyes. One this eye and this eye, and one eye I have cut. Can you see my cut eye? So this eye I have cut it, and you can now cut both the eyes and you can make an eye like this. Can you see? Just now I can see with only one eye, because in this paper plate I have cut only one eye. And later on I will cut another eye also. So I have just shown you. So you may draw the 2 eyes and cut both the eyes. Now see here, I have cut both the eyes. Yeah, I can see you. Isn't it? Wow. Okay. Now when both the eyes are cut, I have taken black color wool. Wool aati hai na? Wool with which mama makes sweater. So take that wool, small pieces of wool, and you can paste like whiskers, like it is known as moustache or whiskers. We don't call moustache for cat, we call whiskers. जो cat के यहाँ पे hair होते हैं ना, दाढ़ी जैसे, मूछ जैसे, वो मूछ जैसे whiskers here, like I have put on my cat. Can you see these? Can you see these whiskers? I have put black wool here and I have cut the 2 eyes and pasted the whiskers on my cat. So this I have done. Now after that, after I have pasted the whiskers, I have pasted 2 ears. Can you see 2 ears? I have cut 2 triangle pieces from this paper plate, and I have cut here and pasted my 2 ears. And I have also pasted a triangle nose. And you can color the nose red in color. You can color the nose is red now. You can color the nose red. So here I have cut a small triangle and pasted the nose, and I have pasted the ears of my cat mask. Can you see this? So this is ready. Now with my ears and nose and my whiskers, my cat is ready, and I attach 2 strings to my cat. Can you see these 2 strings? And I tie it at my back, and this becomes my cat mask. Can you see my cat mask? Yes, I can also see you, and you can also see me. Meow, meow, meow. Dar laga? Ooh, you have also become a cat. Ooh. So, like this, here we have our cat mask. We have attached 2 strings to the mask, and we have a cat mask ready for us. Yes? So clap for yourself. You have made a wonderful mask. Now, there are 2 exercises in which you will do only one exercise, which is on page number 15. This one. Can you see this? Page number 15. Here it is. We have heard the story of the stone, the crow and the stone here, the thirsty crow. We know how the crow was thirsty. There was very little water in the jar. Then what did the crow think? He found out a solution to the problem. First he thought, oh, how should I drink water? Then he used his brain. He was a good Chinarian. The crow was a good Chinarian. The bulb lit up in his brain, a bright LED bulb. It lit up in his brain. And what did he decide? Okay, I will throw stones in the jug and the water will raise high. And the water when raised high, the crow with his beak quickly drank the water and flew away. Yes? So he used pebbles, and very intelligently and very creatively he put the water level high from the pitcher and he drank it. Now think of certain different ways you can use a pebble creatively. List them down below. Now suppose I am talking about pebbles. Pebbles means like stones. In what way can you use these stones? Find out some other creative ways to make something else from a stone. Like one example is given in the book as a paperweight. If it is a beautiful stone, you can decorate it, color it or paint it and use it as a paperweight. Another, you can stick some stones and make it like a structure of an animal, like a cat or a teddy bear or maybe a dog. We can stick a small stone for the mouth, for the face, a big stone for the stomach and all, 2 small stones, and we can make certain Ganeshjis also by sticking these pebbles. So think in your mind and you can make some decoration piece also of the pebbles. You can also make some beautiful buttons from the pebbles and you can stick on your dresses also. Sometimes some small pebbles which are not very heavy. So you can decorate them and you can stick them on your dress to become beautiful buttons. So there are various ways to decorate these pebbles. So you have to note down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 lines. So 6 different ways how to create pebbles into something useful. Okay, so these you will write in your book. In your book only with your pencil, you will write on page number 15, I suppose. Yes, on page number 15. On page number 13 and 14 is this lesson, and on page number 15 you will do it. The page number 16 exercise, you just leave it. Don't do it. Okay? So only one exercise we will do. Is that okay? Understood everything? So now what work you have? 1, you have to decorate a small diary. 2, you have to make this cat mask. And 3, you have to do the exercise on page number 15. Is it okay? I hope it is not much. You can take your time. I have not given any fixed date that this day you have to finish. Finish in 3, 4, 5 days. Finish in 1 week. Doesn't matter. Be cool. Be calm. Find out some good solution. Okay? And write it. Yes? Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all. Yes. We will meet again next Saturday. Goodbye.